the only Databricks course you really need to build a successful career and to continue your level up. Because this is the only course where you find complete practical stuff, real-time case studies, use case scenarios, real-world project, and certification guidance. Everything at a single nutshell, single place. And more importantly, the kind of real-time project we do here in our course will surely match your actual job work. Whether you are a student or a working professional, a data engineer or a data analyst or a ETL developer, this particular course is for you, absolutely for you. Yes, let's understand more details about the path towards the Databricks professional, how to become a true successful Databricks professional. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 2 decades of love and dedication towards data stack technologies, including Databricks, I assure you practical step-by-step approach to every concept you see in the course curriculum. I'll put forward all my 2 decades of experience into the examples, the scenarios, the use case activities, and the complete technical project workflow with solutions. I worked with various companies, various domains, and you will see my exposure into the examples we are going to learn step by step in my training classes. Databricks is all about ETL, extract, transform, load, and DWH, data warehouse activities. Databricks is all about big data, cloud computing, and Databricks is all about data from various sources, data to be extracted, read from various sources, mash up the data, write it to the destinations, various destinations. As you see on my screen, left side we have various data sources, and Databricks is a main machine that can process all the data and give beautiful products for the right side consumers, the actual data consumption layer. In our classes, we are going to learn all these items very carefully, step by step, in a meaningful way. And we are going to learn the more important concepts of Databricks, including Unity Catalog, Spark, PySpark, Python ETL concepts, big data, cloud computing, workflows, something called SDP, Spark Declarative Pipelines, and slowly changing dimensions, SCD concepts, CDC, change data capture, optimizations, security, Power BI integrations, and lot more stuff. What more you need? I'm here to provide you the complete key skills, the actual technical skill set for your actual job. I'm here to provide you the complete skill set for your resume, for facing your interviewer in a much more confident way, either in-person interviews or online interviews. No difference. You are here with complete confidence. I can make it for you. To become a data engineer, yes, we need to start with SQL first. Any SQL is okay. In our classes, we are going to have Microsoft SQL, which is almost closely aligned with Spark SQL syntax. Then I am going to teach you Spark concepts, Spark cloud computing, Spark architecture, Spark SQL, Python ETL, PySpark, big data and cloud computing concepts. Then I'll teach you Databricks with Unity catalog activities completely step by step. Finally, module 4, the key takeaway, real-time projects, certification guidance, resume, and mock interviews. Everything single meal plate. Single plate meals. Yes, we get everything slowly step by step. There are 2 certifications for Databricks. One from Microsoft DP750 and one more from Databricks company, that is Databricks Data Engineer Associate exam. So this is the only course if you need a complete practical touch on every activity of Databricks. I am here to guide you step by step. Either in-person training in our Hyderabad office or live online or self-paced videos, anything you choose. My complete support, same curriculum, same examples and same project, whatever mode you select. See you soon in my actual classes and wish you all the very best. Please do reach me for any doubts, clarifications or anything pertaining to your career or profile planning activities. Thank you once again. Wish you all the very best.